You ever had a rack of lamb so tender it melts in your mouth? Tastes like it came straight from a five-star steakhouse? I'm going to show you how to grill the perfect herb-crusted rack of lamb. Stick around to the end and I'll show you a pan sauce that will take this over the top. Hey everyone, welcome back to Making Bacon PD, where we take bold flavors to the grill and turn them into something unforgettable. Today it's all about elevating a rack of lamb into a show-stopping centerpiece. Drop in the comments, have you ever cooked lamb at home, or is this your first time trying it? When I was a kid I hated lamb. It was always dry and gamey, it came with that nasty little mint jelly packet. Now with little tricks to mask the gaminess and cooking to super tender, lamb is one of my favorite dishes. First start with a rack of lamb. Pat it dry, trim off any excess fat or silver skin. You want to leave a little fat near the bones, but make sure you remove the hard fat. Once it looks like the fat and the silver skin are trimmed off and the meat is exposed, there's actually another muscle near the front. You need to trim that off, it'll expose some more silver skin. Next, I'm spraying it with duck fat to help the seasoning stick on all sides. Then season it generously all over with your favorite rub. I'm using a chicken dust I found in Shipshewana and Meat Church's garlic and herb for that perfect savory kick. Once seasoned, let it rest in the fridge while we mix up our crust. And don't forget to do both sides and the edges. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of breadcrumbs, quarter cup of your herb mix, 1 tablespoon of your rub, 1 bunch of diced fresh parsley, 3/4 cup of grated Parmesan, and then you can add a little lemon zest for that citrus pop. Mix until fully combined. This is going to give us that crispy flavor coating. Now fire up your charcoal grill for indirect cooking. Set up a hot zone and a cool zone. We're going to start on the hot side. We're going to sear that lamb on all sides to give you a nice crust. Make sure to try and get a good sear on the fat near the bones to start the rendering process. We're not looking to cook it through just yet, we're just locking in that flavor. Pull the lamb off the grill and brush with Dijon mustard. Not only does it help the crust to stick, but it will mellow out that gamey flavor that lamb can have. Roll the lamb in the herb crust, pressing it on so it's fully covered. Then place it on the cool side of the grill with the bone side facing the hot coals. Cook it at 350 degrees until the temperature hits between 130 and 135 for medium rare. It's usually about 30 minutes. Now let's make a pan sauce. We're going to start heating the pan on medium-high heat. Add a half a diced onion and a couple of diced garlic cloves. Cook until fragrant and the onions are translucent. Add a quarter cup of beef stock and a quarter cup of red wine vinegar. Then reduce by half, about 3 minutes. Stir in 1 stick of butter, season with salt, and let it melt into a silky, rich sauce. Now slice that lamb up, drizzle it with that pan sauce, and there you have it, folks. Perfectly grilled, herb-crusted lamb with a rich, silky pan sauce. Lamb is super tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. Just melts in your mouth. That Dijon binder must have worked, because this is not gamey at all. So let's recap. 1. Trim the lamb. 2. Season. 3. Sear. 4. Apply breading. 5. Cook indirect till 130. 6. Make the sauce. 7. Enjoy. This is crusted lamb done right. Smoky, crispy, packed with flavor from edge to edge. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how yours turned out, and if you've got a secret lamb trick. Share it so we can all level up our game together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a chance to fire up something good. I'm Dan, your off-duty cop with on-duty flavor. And as always, keep making bacon.